Hi everyone! For the holiday season, let's talk about how to give people good wishes, okay? How to give people good wishes. So, very easy. I'm going to give you a word that you can use in front of anything that you want someone else to experience, okay? So, the word is ขอให้ Technically, it's two words, yeah? I'll explain. So, the first word ขอ and then the second word ให้ yeah? So ขอ means request and ให้ in this case means for. It can also means give, yeah? So ให้ means for or give, but ขอให้ together means to wish. ขอให้ together means to wish, yeah? It is to request for something, yeah? To ask for something, to in the same similar realm of to hope for something, yeah? So ขอให้ means to request for, but it means to wish. And then whatever you want them to experience, you put it behind. So let's say very universal wish. You want to say, I wish you happiness, yeah? I wish for you to be happy. The word be happy in Thai, it's a little bit tricky. So in Thai, we do not say, I wish you to be happy or I wish you happiness. In Thai, we say, I wish you to have happiness, yeah? Happiness is something that Thai people have, yeah? We don't really say I am happy. We say I have happiness, okay? So this is how to say. ขอให้ means to wish for, to request for something, yeah? And then you say me, which means to have. And then you say ความสุข ความสุข means happiness, yeah? ความ is like ness, and then สุข is happy. So together becomes happiness. มีความลอง R, yeah? And then สุข super short. ความสุข together means happiness. So translated directly, it's I wish for you to have happiness, yeah? I request for you to have happiness. ขอให้มีความสุข and I'm going to write the Thai version for you as well. So ขอให้มีความสุข Okay, so this is I wish you happiness, yeah? And then let's talk about how to say I wish you to be healthy, okay? So stick with ขอให้ and then instead of มีความสุข we say me, we keep the me too, yeah? ขอให้มี I wish you would have, followed by good health. But in Thai, we don't say good health, we say health good, okay? So that becomes ขอให้มี plus the word health สุขภาพ plus the word good ดีนะคะ so we are keeping this part ขอให้มี we're keeping ขอให้มี yeah? And then for the ความสุข then we change to สุขภาพดี สุขภาพดี สุขภาพ together 3 syllable means health. And then D means good. Yeah? ขอให้มีสุขภาพดี and I'm gonna write that in Thai again. ขอให้มี and this is สุขภาพ yeah? สุ ค่ะภาพดี So these are two very easy wishes you can give people ขอให้มีความสุข and ขอให้มีสุขภาพดี You can practice speaking it and impress your friends by giving them good wishes on New Year's. I'll see you again in the next video.